Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. As you can see, we are going around Jysk today and we are having a look what's new in. You can see they've got their garden furniture out. They've got egg chairs, they've got absolutely lovely garden furniture sets. They've also of course got their normal furniture. I do love a classic, just simple dining room table. It means you can dress it up very nicely. And then they also had these lovely planters in. What is good about Jysk is they always seem to have deals on. You'll see a lot of yellow labels, lots of lovely dried flowers. I could have all of those in that basket, but it will cost a fortune. I've noticed they've got this really lovely muted pink tone throughout their home decor at the moment. These were two new side tables. I thought they were very trendy. They had lots of rattan as well, both in like lighting, tableware, accessories. So if you just want to add a little bit of a modern twist to your home, Jysk will have something for you. Some more outdoor furniture. You can see very reasonably priced. I mean, £20 for a little table. And then moving on into some of their lighting, they had some really cool lights in. Do like that big rattan one, but also just like the simple black desk lamp as well. I just feel like it looks quite industrial. I would go nice with something like this. I love the dark wood at the moment. I know a lot of people are into bamboo, but I really love dark wood. They've got some classic tables, and then in my store they also do have some settees, not loads because it's not a huge store, but what they do have is kind of simple and nice. And I would say if you've never been into Jysk before, it is a little bit like IKEA. Moving on into some of the home accessories, my favourite section. They have some very trendy pieces that I think would be very Instagram approved. I do love all the black vases. At the moment I feel like adding a little bit of black through gives it some depth. I'm just showing this rug because this was £11.50. So if you have a young child, it had like a hot air balloon. I think I'll show a cushion of it in a moment, and it was just so gorgeous for that price and so soft. I love those red and white ones. I think they look lovely in a conservatory. I don't know, it just felt very Mediterranean to me. I love a stripe, so yeah, I love those bars, and I also love the blue ones as well. So these are kind of more autumnal colours, but again I feel like they could look really nice again in summer because of those burnt oranges. And then some more kind of neutral pillows, and they've still got loads of lovely throws in as well. You can see lots of different textures, so if you do like a neutral, more basic room, it's nice to just add a little bit of texture in to give it a bit of something extra. So that is the same pattern as the rug, and I just thought it was super cute. I know loads of people are into the animal themes for their kids at the moment. And then moving on to some of their bathroom stuff, so just like a quick overview of their mats. Their towels haven't changed much, to be fair, so I don't think I've captured those, but they will be in my previous Jysk vlog if you've not seen that. I'm loving all the Hessian style rugs as well, and they are very durable. I'm also a massive fan of wicker, so loved these plant pots. Again, I just feel like wicker adds a different texture into the room. You can see a little bit more of that muted pink coming through, and they had some really gorgeous baskets. What I would say about Jysk is though, I feel like although they're a very reasonably priced store for their furniture, some of the baskets can be a little bit expensive, but like I said, some of them are really nice, have some really nice shapes. And then yeah, some more home decor, some artificial flowers. I do absolutely love those vases for £6. I do think those are very, very trendy. I thought those candlesticks were very elegant. Again, more of that muted pink tone even in their kitchenware. Now those little flowers at £3 normally have them in little plant pots in the store, and they look so effective. And then this is probably my favourite bedding from them. I have a dress that's very much like that pattern, and I just think it's a lovely pattern for spring. You can see they've got a few different patterns and shades in, which would be nice for this time of year, but a bit more muted. That plant pot, by the way, was absolutely gorgeous. It was huge, and it would look lovely if you've got a really modern garden. Some more dried flowers. And then I noticed these baskets, and I've seen people hang these on their doors with just like some linen coming out of them. They look so effective. But that was it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.